Hello everyone, today I will show you how the Nest work together with the air conditioning heat system and the floor heat system. Uh, First, I will show our demo. This is our adapter and the cable comes out to the multimeter. When the floor heat is on, it will have the sound on the equipment. So even though the heat system is working, and this is a Daikin air conditioning system. As we know, when the Nest work together with our drop air adapter, you can control the floor heat system and the air condition heat system at the same time. You can use them separately. Let me show you how. When you set the system fan speed, fan when you set the system speed with low, this setting, when you start the heat, they will only the floor heat system work. Let's see. So now when you start the heat, only the floor system heat. When you only want to the air conditioning system heat work on, you can change the fan speed setting to medium or high. In this setting, when start the heat, we will see the floor heat system will not work and the air conditioning system will work. So that it means when we use air conditioner heat system, we can have two fan speed, medium or high. Let's see. We change to the system fan speed to high. Let's start the heat again. We will see now the air conditioning system run the high fan speed heat model. So someone want to know, how can I use the floor heat system and the air conditioning heat system at the same time? Yes, you can. With our drop air adapter function, you can do this. Let me see. There are two ways to use this. The first way is when you set the system fan speed on low fan model. So when you start, the floor heat system will work. And then you start the fan. You can choose time. For example, you can let the fan run 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, we will see the air conditioning heat system works on. When the touch temperature reaches the set point, heat system will burst off, but the air conditioner system will turn into the fan model. It will keep the airflow and feel comfortable. When the room temperature low down, the heat system will run again. But at this time, please pay attention. The floor system will not work, just only the air conditioner heat system. For the first way, you want to use the air conditioner heat system temporarily. In this situation, this one important thing we need to know is after the first heat cycle, when the Nest reach the touch temperature, the heat system will off. when it start again, the floor system will not start up, just the air conditioner system. So you will have a question, when will the floor heat system run again? No worry, just the fan time over. You will see when the fan time is run over, the heat system back up to the floor heat system only. So remember this, you will use it just as you need. Let us see again. When we set the system fan speed on low, when after we start up the next heat, the floor heat system will start up only. At this time, when we want to use the air conditioner's heat at the same time, we can just run the fan temporarily. We will see the air conditioner heat is turned on. It will turn off when the fan time is off, or before the fan time over, the room temperature reach the touch temperature, the both system will turn off and the air conditioner system will turn into the fan model to give you airflow and make you more comfortable. When it starts up again, this situation, the floor heat system will not turn on, just the air conditioner heat system turn on. It will make you room warm up, hurry. So the floor heat system will run again just when the fan time is over, and the system will turn into the normal floor heat model. So it means in this way, you will mainly use floor heat system to warm your house. Just temporarily use the air conditioning system to help you heat the room quicker than before. So this is the first way to use the air conditioner heat system and the floor heat system at the same time. And there's another way to use it simply. We just need to set the system fan speed to auto. That means we just let the Nest choose when to use the floor heat system, when to use the air conditioning system, or use them together. Let's see. If the temperature difference between the room temperature and set point is very low, so we will see the Nest only start up the floor heat system when the temperature difference is high. The Nest will turn on the air conditioning system at the same time. When the touch temperature reaches the room temperature, we will see it boost off. When it auto runs the next time, the Nest will only choose the heat system. So it will very convenient for you to run the two systems automatically. So it is very easy to use it when you set the system fan speed on auto model.